swept and swept fine. Will go. Yeah, misfield.
This is live.
Okay.
The spin from both ends has worked in their favour.
बहुत अच्छा ये हाँ ठीक है Swan
And playing across the line, that was not required. If you even want to take a bit of risk, you go over mid-off for extra cover because the ball is just coming in. If you go cross, that means you're giving ball a bit of room to go through. He's getting better and better. Zahir, seen him over the years. A little fuller on that occasion and hit it to the cover point. Only they ran two.
Yeah, when you look at the bowlers, especially a spinner on these kind of a surface, you need to find whether they have the skills and the variety to have that kind of variation, because you don't want to bowl at a similar kind of pace and a similar line and length. You've got to mix it up, and I think he showed that in his very first over. First one starts with the googly, then it's a leg spin, and the genuine edge could have easily gone again the wrong one, so he's mixed it up one after another. So 3 googlies and 3 leg spinners, or even the fourth one, beg your pardon, was the googly. A full toss. Doesn't put it away. So if you have that sort of a skill, then you can be a potential threat on any surface.
And the kind of angle he bowls, because he's left arm wrist and coming around the wicket for a right-hander batsman, and that angle always create issues, create problems. And this pitch, okay, it's not really offering much of a spin, but still that angle cause issues, problems. Swept and swept fine. Will go for 4. Handy boundary.
Doesn't get it right. Just drifting down the leg side, and his eyes lit up because he went for that sweep shot and connects well. Just gets past that fielder at short fine, and he picks up a boundary. Well, he needs to play an important role now, because now he's gone into the 30s, 34 of just 30 deliveries. You need to show a little bit more responsibility here.
Catch it!
Oh, he was in trouble, but he's got away with it because he falls in no man's land.
Look, I don't mind someone playing 30 balls for 35 runs. This is fine. But now it's his responsibility and job to take the team out of trouble. They've lost 2 wickets. I mean, this is nothing short. Not sure where he wanted to play that. Wanted to go more mid-wicket and got the upper part of the bat. So you got to be smart here. Yeah, misfield. It went very quickly. Big over. 13 off it. 77 for 2. Zahid is struggling. Time for a strategic timeout.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.